Chapter 10 Gases. Exercise 10.53. A wine dispensing system uses argon canisters to pressurize and preserve wine in a bottle. An argon canister for the system has a volume of 89.8 milliliters and contains 28.3 grams of argon. Assuming ideal gas behavior, what's the pressure in the canister at 304 Kelvin? Assuming ideal gas behavior, we use the ideal gas law, which is PV equals nRT here. And we're just plugging all those numbers to get the pressure. Pressure is nRT over V, so we'll calculate this. We don't have the number of moles, but we do have the mass, 28.3 grams, divided by the molar mass of argon, which is 39.95. The value of R is 0.08206 atm liter over mole Kelvin. And then temperature is 304 down there, 304 here, divided by the volume. Make sure you use the value of volume in liters, not milliliters. So over here it's 89.8 divided by 1,000. That will convert milliliters to liters. Alright, so this is the equation. Pressure equals N times R times T over V. V is in liters, and this R is in atm liter over mole and Kelvin. So we have this 197. The unit is atm. PV equals nRT, so pressure is nRT over V. We plug in all the numbers with the proper units, of course, proper units. Alright, actually there's something wrong here. This should be 0.0898 liters, so there's something wrong here. So if you look at my calculation, it's 89.8 divided by 1,000. Now part B. When the argon is released from the canister, it expands to fill the one bottle. How many 750 milliliter one bottle can be purged with the argon in the canister at a pressure of 1.01 atm and this pressure, this temperature of 304 Kelvin. So mostly we'll calculate the volume of this argon gas at this pressure. Alright, at this pressure, a different pressure. We'll calculate its volume and use that volume divided by this, and then we'll get the number of bottles that can be purged with the argon. Alright, so essentially we need to have V divided by 750 milliliters. This is the calculation. V is the volume of the argon gas at this pressure and temperature. So this V, what I will do is I'm going to use the equation. V is nRT over pressure. That's the volume of the argon gas. What's the number of moles of the argon gas? We had the calculation before. It's over here, 28.3 divided by the molar mass. So it's going to be 28.3 divided by the molar mass. and we have R and T. We have the temperature. Temperature is 304. What's the pressure? Pressure here, it's 1.01. It's only 1.01. Alright. We're not done here because on top it's gonna be in liters. Alright, the top is in liters. We can convert it to milliliters and then divide it by 750 milliliters. Alright, this is the setup. We can fill 23.3 bottles. I guess we need an integer here because you're filling an integer number of bottles, so 23. Alright, let's review this setup. Over here we have the number of moles, so it's N times R times T over pressure. We get volume in liters. Multiply by 1,000, we get volume in milliliters, and then divided by 750. So it's going to be 23 bottles. Alright, so mastering chemistry calculated V first in liters, and then divided by the volume of one bottle, they get 23.3 bottles as well.